How to download voice message from Messenger on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download voice message from Messenger on PC or laptop. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a web browser and type in messenger.com and make sure to log into your account. Now head towards any chat where you want to download the voice message of. Right click on this particular voice message and click inspect from this menu bar. Now you need to simply expand it and choose the network. Now once you need to play the audio that you want to download.
Hello, how are you?
And then you need to simply double click on your mouse and then the audio will get started to download, and you have to simply give a name to this file and click on save, and the file will get downloaded. Once you have saved the downloaded file, you can simply get access to that particular voice message, and that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.